Fenty for 20, my left, your right. Maybelline SUPERSTAY, my right, your left. We are going to put these two to the test and see which one is better or if they're the same. These are both powder foundations. White sponge is for Fenty. Black sponge is for Maybelline SUPERSTAY. Get closer and closer and closer so you can see. No primer on, just moisturize face. We will start with the Maybelline SUPERSTAY. I swipe a lot, and that sponge picks up a lot. I am loving this Maybelline. This Maybelline, I put it on, it's like you don't have anything on. I know I've said that, but it is so true. If you get your hands on this powder, buy it, because I went to the store a couple times, more than once, to look for it. And the darker colors were all sold out. And I went 3 places to look for it, and they were all sold out. So a month later, I went and I got it, which was recently, because I was like, I can't keep going one place to the next to the next to the next. They just keep selling out. But I'm telling you, they're selling out because they are that good. This is so nice. This is what it is. It's a full coverage. To me, this is like a light to medium, but I guess if I build it up, it will become that. But this is what it looks like. Beautiful. If you like skin, like makeup, try this one. This is really, really, it's just nice. I didn't put any primer on, so imagine if you put primer, that maybe will be like crisp. Now, Fenty. I've had Fenty for a while, so Fenty will be on my left, your right. I'm hitting pan on Fenty. Trying to give it one good swipe. This is what the Fenty side looks like. Maybelline 355, Fenty 420 pressed powder foundation. Tell me what you think. Tell me what they look like. Tell me if you think they look the same, or one is darker than the other, one is lighter than the other, one is my match, one is not. Tell me, let me know in the comments. Let's have a conversation in the comments about this powder. I love both of them. They are pretty. I just love it. The Maybelline one is very, very light. Very, very light. I mean, it's just beautiful. Thank you all again for watching. Have a fantastic day, night, evening, afternoon, morning, wherever you are. And remember to stay fabulous. I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.